Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. Um, so I did get this is one of the stock screens I had laying around. I had a couple of these stock screens here. These would I always used to use for Nomad upgrades, and this is the one that was sent to me. And it looks like the color shift is might be due to the game, not due to the screen itself. So this screen has a little bit brighter colors. This one I think is a little more accurate color. But you can see how they're both doing the same color shifting at the exact same time. So it's definitely coming from the game, not from the screen itself. So I don't know why the game does that, but I think my older screen might have slightly more accurate colors, but the other screen that was sent to me has a little bit brighter colors. I guess it's yeah. So I don't know why this game has this weird color shift. I wish I had more Genesis games to play with here, but I don't really collect that much. Yeah, see, it's actually happening to both. So it's not due to the screen. It's either the system itself, or I'll have to look online later and see if there's any posts on Nomads with weird color shifts like this. Or it could just be a strange glitch of this game. I don't know. That's odd. But I'm going to take a look. Because this thing's all been recapped and everything, so there's not a lot I'll have to see. Only other thing I think is maybe the voltage regulation's off, but it doesn't make much sense because actually this screen here is actually running off of an external 12 volt regulated supply. So I know that supply is like almost no ripple, so it's coming from somewhere in the video processing chain. So I'll probably just end up see if either I can pick up another game to try it with, see if it's limited to just this game, or if yeah, see, screen's still on because it's still hooked up to external power. Turn that off. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm probably just going to end up, because it's the weekend coming up, I'm just going to finish cutting all the holes, putting everything back together again, and see if I can hit a local thrift store or something. A local used game store and pick up another game just to try it out with. So there's not much more I can do on the Nomad itself. So it might just be the game. I don't know. Though I noticed once I did the 12 volt buck converter here with the cap, I'm not really seeing the screen glitches anymore. So I think it is due to the little bit of sag on the 9 volt line on the Nomad itself. So that's good. I think I'm going to start putting this back together again and finish this up, and then finish up that CDX because the whole laser adjustment's a little bit involved, and it's going to take me a little while to figure that one out. But CDX, I mean, it's working. It's just a matter of trying to adjust those laser focus pots on there. So short one tonight, and I'll probably do one or two videos this weekend showing the finishing off this Nomad, and then how to do the CDX. I'm going to watch the videos one more time of how to adjust those pots and see what I can do what I do. Thanks for watching.